Okay, so right behind me I have the 2024 74 registration D350 HSE in the colour called Carpathian Grey. Now this is a very, very desirable colour. It's a very dark gunmetal grey. Being the HSE means that the trim level is right up there, and the 350 means 350 brake horsepower. With only 14,000 miles on, has the remainder of the manufacturer's warranty. This car then has some added extras like the upgraded 23-inch alloy wheels. But before you go down the side, let's go back with it to the front. You have got this glass piece here, so I'm going to treat this like it's the first time you're seeing a Range Rover presentation, because we do get lots here and we forget sometimes the nice neat features. So that's the DRLs, but then you have got the quad lighting system behind, which is the full adaptive high beam headlights. You've got front rear parking sensors, 360 camera system, and you've got this flush look to the front bumper with a built-in headlight washers. So when you're washing the windscreen, they pop out, squirt and go back away again. You've then got air suspension as standard. Like I said, this car has the 23-inch upgraded alloy wheels, and I do quite like the silver diamond cut finish on the face of it with the Ferris grey on the inside. You've then got mud flaps, and then another extra is the side steps. Them side steps do make a difference. Although the car has air suspension, so you can have access height, people do stand on that to get in and out the car. Double glazed windows is standard. The electric deployable door handles, so if you look at these handles here, where they pop out to get your hand in to get into the back. But when you lock it, they go nice and flush with the side of the car. Tilt and sliding sunroof, that is another extra. And then as for the interior, you've got this beautiful Perlino leather interior. I'm sure you know you can get different colours. You can have ebony, you can have deep garnet, caraway, but I think the Perlino for me looks the most luxurious. It's easy on the eye and it works really well with the dark exterior. You've then got the panel black interior inlays on the centre bridge. You've also got the touchscreen media system with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and being the HSE, you get the Meridian 3D surround sound system, which is the better version of your standard speaker system. Ambient lighting pack. Over here, being a 74 registration, it is a facelift model, the newer, latest version, where they've taken the dials away from here and they've put it all onto the screen, such as your heated seats, ventilated seats, it's all just there. And that's electric memory, heated, ventilated seats front, and then for the rear, you've got heated seats, where you can activate it from here or the guys in the back can do it. You press the more button and then you have the different folding and unfolding of the seats, so you can put them seats in the back down just by pressing a couple of buttons. Your 360 camera system is in high definition. You can press the 3D button and you can literally spin around the whole car so you don't knock any part of it. Wireless charging pad, you've got your charging port, twin cup holders, centre armrest with more cubbyhole space as well. Remember, the car comes with soft closed doors as standard, so that means you don't need to slam it. When it clicks, it shuts itself. The HSE also gives you illuminated seatbelt buckles. So if you come all the way in here, I'll quickly show you. These illuminate, and at night you know exactly where to put the buckle. You've got rear cup holders, lots of space, ISOFIX attachments and third zone climate control, followed by more speaker system, the piano black, and it's just well finished. The car looks absolutely amazing. When I say amazing, what I mean is, you know, when you look at a car and you think, wow, that looks good. Well, this is one of them types of cars. Anyone can drive this car. It doesn't matter what age you are, if you're single, you're married, kids, no kids, business user. It ticks every single box. Nobody looks out of place in this car. You've got the 40-40-20 split seats. What does that mean? It means that you can have a passenger sat on that side and then have that down and put a longer object through, put all of it down. You can pick and choose. There's more cubbyhole space underneath here, and like I said, that tonneau cover pulls across to hide all your valuables. Elongated LED lighting system at the back, that looks really good, and then you have got the LED indicators in this black panel just here. The bodywork is in pristine condition. The alloy wheels are in immaculate condition. But like I said, the car has remained under the manufacturer's warranty, electric windows and mirrors, and then you get to the driver's zone. Now this is fully loaded. First of all, the full multifunctional steering wheel, starting off here, lane assist, adaptive cruise, limiter, heated steering wheel, and then you have stereo controls, Bluetooth controls, and vehicle settings on that digital dash. Paddle shift is just behind, automated headlights and window wipers. You can pull this button towards you, push it in, or up and down, and you can adjust the steering column to get your most perfect position. Just past that, you've got the heads-up display, which shows you how fast you're going, navigation details, Bluetooth details, and other useful information, so when you're driving, you don't have to look away from the windscreen, you can just look straight through it. You've also got clear sight rear view mirror. There is a camera situated on the top of the car. When you pull that across, you can see exactly what's behind you there as well. Ride height is brilliant, visibility is absolutely awesome, and being the D350, the engine's nice and quiet, more than quick enough and returning you great miles per gallon. This is a fantastic car in a fantastic price range with awesome specification. My name's Joe. If you like what you see, give me a call, drop me a text or WhatsApp. Thanks for watching.